Welcome back. I'm sitting in for Betty Kiptum. Kenya is eyeing more exports to China as the two countries seek to deepen trade ties. Nairobi is targeting more agricultural products to Beijing in a bid to close the yawning trade gap that is in favor of China. Kenya Investment Authority General Manager Pius Rotich says Kenya wants to export more avocados, macadamia nuts, and also coffee to even the trade imbalance.
Trade data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows the trade gap widened by 15% to 425 billion shillings in the year through March 2022, from 370 billion shillings a year ago. For almost a decade now, China has become Kenya's top trade partner, unseating traditional players like the United Kingdom and the United States. Kenya has been nudging Beijing to allow more products access to the strict Chinese market in an attempt to even the trade balance, which is heavily skewed towards Beijing.
Especially during this time when the Kenyan economy is beginning to open up after challenges associated with COVID-19 pandemic and also the long electioneering period.
To provide a forum in which the local market can also thrive in the international market, hence ensure a successful growth and development all over the world through the sharing of technological advancement, knowledge, and information.
Experts say direct business-to-business connections between Kenya and China will help rapid investor facilitation and retention. Kenya Invest General Manager Pius Rotich says the post-election economic rebound is largely dependent on positioning Kenya as a preferred destination of investment through a robust market outreach.
This has allowed interest traders and importers in Kenya to check out the samples of different products in a range of industries and provide a platform for negotiation and promotion through the virtual B2B meeting.
Kenya's economy is expected to grow by 5% in 2022 and maintain a 5.7% growth into 2023. Kenya's exports to China grew by 37% from 2020 to 2021 due to an increase in demand. Chinese investors say this could be boosted through direct collaborations between businesses for the two countries, where China would facilitate machinery for the processing of Kenyan raw materials. The Chinese investors say Kenyan-made products will benefit from competitive prices on the international markets.
Kenya is open and safe for business and investments and looking forward to continued collaboration between us.
Hibak Said for Prime Edition.